My name is Adorable, and today we just came for an outreach in Kantro. That is a part of like a remote area in Ghana. We actually came to help people of Kantro to, be able to access health without payment. Actually, they didn't pay for it. We just rendered it freely. I'm actually part of the team, GiftCare. Actually, she did it single-handedly, and I admire her courage. She really did well. So you out there, wherever you are, you can as well do this. Try as much as possible to do things that will also help people in the remote area, the less privileged, to get either the healthcare, those kind of services that they don't really get. If it means coming to educate them once in a while, you can as well do something nice, to uplift their spirit, to maintain their dignity. So whatever you can do to make people laugh, to put smile on people's faces, you can as well do that. Okay, so I want you to tune in to Geki TV to watch this. Also tune in to Adorable TV channel to also watch this program live and direct. Thank you.
I wasn't having any support. It was in my pocket money that I had to come up with this initiative.
My name is Franklin Bruna, team member GiftCare, a student of Catholic University, Catholic College of Ghana. Here for a medical outreach, not a medical personnel but do anything for mankind. So see you on the other side.
I'm Zainal, a student nurse and a member of GiftCare. We are here in Control to give a free medical outreach.
Hey, I'm a Bonloa. I'm a student nurse. I'm a member of GiftCare. We're here for a free health outreach.
As NK, a member of GiftCare Medical Outreach.
Hello. This is Christian for you, your guy. I'm a student of Catholic University. I'm a team member of GiftCare.
Louis Opoku from Catholic University Level 400 Medicine, and I'm a member of GiftCare Outreach.
The way of living here, we are in the village, so at times we need some help, especially like this one, screenings, but you at times not get it. But if there's more students outside, we encourage them to come.
Hello, lovely viewers out there. It's your boy, Carlos Yeboah. Here we are presenting GiftCare. We came to Kantro community and we did an amazing job. You can see people coming from the north, the south, coming for a free screening. Can you imagine that? It was a blast. I'm talking to you about free medication, free HPT, free. You can do it too. It is your turn. You're talking about Fix Your Country. This was initiated by one student alone and a group of nurses. You can do it too. It is your turn. GiftCare. Hooray! Hooray!